here with Maria Vinega and Fritz Rogi, and you are from the New York City College of Technology, right?
City Tech.
City Tech.
Downtown Brooklyn.
Downtown Brooklyn. Okay. So you got some pretty cool looking cars here,
Yeah.
and some other stuff. But before we talk about those, I want to ask you what program are you in and what year are you?
Yes, I'm in the computer engineering technology program. And well, this is our mechatronics lab, and it's a mix of CT people, mechanical, also electronical people, and well, that's about it.
Okay. And what year are you?
Oh, I'm a senior right now.
Senior. Okay. Okay. How about you?
I'm in the mechanical engineering technology department, and I'm also a senior.
Yeah. So what are your plans on graduation? What do you think?
Plans of graduation. Basically, it's getting more experience. That's why we're here and getting into these clubs and also into internships, because we want to keep going with the technology, practically putting all the theory that we have been learning along the years in our career and make it improve it, personally improve it. So hopefully getting into a master's degree.
Oh, good. So you're going to go on to school. Okay.
Yeah.
Is this a 2-year program you're in or a 4-year?
4 year.
4-year, yeah. Okay, good. Good. And how about you? What are you thinking about?
Well, I'm trying to look for a job right now, currently, a job or an internship. Right. So one of the things that the club emphasized was manufacturing technology, because this was a water jet. A lot of the parts were 3D printed, rapid prototype.
Yeah.
So it was a lot of good skills and knowledge, because we use a lot of machinery, a lot of advanced technology to make some of these. So it's experience that you can't really get anywhere else. This wasn't even part of the curriculum.
Yeah.
But currently now they're trying to get the manufacturing technology into the mechanical engineering department.
Good.
So
do you want to describe pick out one of these cars, and maybe both of you could describe different pieces of it?
okay, sure. Well, this is the one that everyone likes at first, because it has the big wheels and the shiny rims. So this here's the controller for the robot.
Yeah. And who designed and built the controller?
That would be the computer engineering students. So she was a part of it.
So you did some of that?
Yes.
Yeah.
And also one of our friends that he's around, and he also pretty much put all the idea, we built it.
So you do the design. You did the design work.
Yes, basically it's like putting more ideas into all this design. For example, we put a buzzer every time the car detects something, so the buzzer will sound.
Yeah.
So all those ideas are basically what we put into this project.
Have a working one.
What do the different components do? You mentioned the buzzer, but what are some of the things that you're sensing, detecting?
Yes. All these cards you see here, we have the alcohol detector, and also we have the CO2.
So you can't drive?
Yes.
Oh, I like that.
And whenever it gets into a dangerous area, it can cross in here. The light turns on, and also it goes.
So
There it is right there, turning on.
Yeah.
So how does this alcohol detector work? Do they have to blow into this thing? Is that what it would be, or?
The robot would drive into an area where there's already a high concentration.
So if somebody gets in the car and they're breathing, or they're drinking, and they pop open a bottle of vodka.
The robot would know if you were drinking.
Okay, that's
Well,
good.
one of the things we want to implement is putting a fan or some form of suction, so it can just get more volume of air going through the sensor. Because currently, right now, it has to drive through to get the airflow into the sensor.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's pretty neat.
Oh, we can demonstrate some right now. We have some.
Okay. Do you have a bottle of vodka?
Yeah. Isopropyl.
Martini? I like vodka martini. I don't like gin.
Dab a little on my finger.
I mean olives.
And then see the values
Oh,
increasing
yeah.
slightly.
Can you
And then
see
if
this
I
on the camera,
actually
John? Oh, look at that. It's 20, 206. Wow, that's pretty sensitive. That's great.
And once it's over 100, value of 100, the buzzer would buzz.
Oh, I like that.
Now it's decreasing.
Wow.
There you go.
That's impressive. That's great.
And in here we implemented this controller with using the Arduino Mega.
That's a Mega controller. That's
yes, this is the microcontroller. It's pretty much the brain. This is the workstation, and we also put Arduino Mega into the robot.
Yeah.
And for the transmission, for the control, we use the XP. Also, we have to implement it in there so they can communicate with each other.
So it's wireless. Yeah.
Yes. Whatever it senses from the sensor in here, it will transmit it to here. And also we can get to drive it. Drive the robot.
You can drive it remotely?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
We can put it on the floor and show it.
Cool. Yeah, that'd be great. So, oh, you got a little, like a little joystick there.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Very nice.
Also, as part of the mechanical engineering, we put a differential gearbox on the back of that robot.
So you can change gears? Or you can...
It allows it to turn easily.
Oh, I see. Okay.
It's
Like a
on the-
differential, yeah. I'm an electrical engineer, so I had to think about what a differential was for a little bit there. But, oh, that's really cool. Looks like a lot of fun. And how do you start with this class? What did you start with? I mean, did you start with just some? Well, you have the components, but then you come up with the ideas, the things you want these cars to do.
I guess we started with the chassis, and then we started looking for a purpose.
Yeah.
And then we were thinking, how can we benefit environment or something? And then we were thinking, okay, chemical detection. And then from there, it just took off.
Yeah.
But we only implement these alcohol and CO2 because they're, relatively friendly. Because we do have other sensors, but the gas that they detect might be a little hazardous.
Yeah. Well, that's interesting for like terrorism and things like that. I imagine you could, as long as you get the right sensor, you can use this technology and you can just drive around the city with a car, basically, right?
Actually, it's interesting to know, but we did make a larger version of this.
Yeah?
Much larger.
Wow.
This is about 3 feet by 2.5 feet.
Really?
Wide, yeah. And we took this to the ASME show in Dallas, Texas. And we showed it off there. And this actually had 6 sensors.
Yeah?
So it could detect 6 different types of chemicals. And also had a solar panel, so it can operate independently of the power source.
Very nice.
Yeah. And we call it the sniff bot.
Well, great. Excellent. I wish I would love to take a course like this, actually.
Actually, we're planning on making a kit, so you can actually play around with it and building any way you want.
Oh, that's great.
And also the programming with that.
So will those kits be for sale?
For now, it's in the works.
Yeah.
But for now, we do provide the CAD files, the programming files, and a simple how-to guide.
Yeah. Be a nice business for you. You should think about starting a business. No, really, I think this is great stuff. So.
You can actually look at all the components. We listed all the components that you may need, so you can build it on your own. And even kids can play around with it. It's not that dangerous.
Yeah, that's great.
And hands-on projects. Very good.
Excellent. All right. Well, thank you both very much. Good luck.
Thank you.
As you continue with your careers.
Thank you.
Thanks.